Hey guys, today we made these bee watering bowls so that we can help feed our wonderful pollinating neighbors, and we just took some bowls and we added some of our rocks that we have right in our backyard, some water, and added some of these flowers in here, that way the bees can find them. And we put them right next to all these flowers that are full of bees right now. That way, once they're finishing doing their job, or in between them doing their job, they can come and get a nice drink of water, guys. Welcome the bees, save the bees. You will get a much bigger harvest.